Hello students, today we'll be doing the NCERT question and answers in text as well as exercises. As some of you have asked in the live session also that the NCERT questions we have to do or not, so we have to do it in the notebook and I'll be telling you all the answers today. So students, let's start with NCERT in text questions. First is, which of the following are matter? Chair, air, love, smell, hate, almonds, thought, cold drink and smell of perfume. So out of these, chair, air, smell, almonds, cold drink and smell of perfume are matter. That means anything which occupies space and have mass are called matter. Second is, give reason for the following observations. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away, but to get the smell of cold food you have to go close. This is due to kinetic energy, or you can say diffusion process. So it is because higher temperature the kinetic energy of the molecules is high and hence rate of diffusion is higher. So when the food is cold, it has lower temperature and rate of diffusion is also low. So there will be no, we can get the smell of cold food only by going close to it. Third is, a diver is able to cut through water in swimming pool. Explain. The particles of every matter has a force of attraction between them. This force keeps the particles together in a matter. In case of water, the force of attraction between the particles is less in comparison to solids. So water molecules can be easily cutted by the diver and it can swim. Also, it has space between them. Fourth question is, what are the characteristics of particles of matter? Matter is composed of very small particles like atoms or molecules. Second, the particles of matter have space between them. Third is, the particles of matter attract each other. And fourth is, particles of matter are in constant random motion. Then fifth one is, the mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. Arrange the following in order of increasing density. So answer will be, air will come first, then exhaust from chimney, then cotton, then water, then honey, then chalk and then iron. So the order will be air, exhaust from chimney, cotton, water, honey, chalk and iron. Then sixth question is, tabulate the differences in the characteristics of three states of matter. Comment on the following: rigidity, compressibility, fluidity, filling a gas container, shape, kinetic energy and density. So the first part, that is the tabulate the differences, that we have already done in notes. So you can write the answer from there. You have to just write the general characteristics of solid, liquid and gas in the form of a table. Then B part will be coming, that is rigidity is it is the property of solids to maintain shape against external force. Second, compressibility, it is the property of gases. On applying high pressure the volume of gas decreases, so they can be liquefied. Then third is fluidity, it is the property of liquids and gases by which they have a tendency to flow. Fourth is filling a gas container. When a denser gas is transferred into another empty container, it spreads and occupies the whole volume of the empty container, replacing the air due to negligible interparticle force of attraction. This is filling a gas container. Then shape, it is the property of solids. Outer surfaces of a solid produce a certain shape. That is the distinct boundaries can be observed. Particular shape can be observed in solids. Then sixth is kinetic energy. The constituent particles of a matter are not stationary, they are found in constant motion. The particles of gases have maximum kinetic energy because their particles move at high speed. Then kinetic energy is equals to half mv square is the formula. Here m means mass of particle and v means velocity of the particle. Then density is, it is the property of matter. Mass per unit volume is density. Then question number 7 is, give reasons for the following observations. A gas completely fills the vessel in which it is kept. The molecules of a gas possess high kinetic energy and very weak intermolecular forces. so they can move in all the directions. As a result, the vessel is completely filled with gas. Second part is a gas exerts pressure on the walls of the container. This is because the molecules of gas possess kinetic energy and they are in random motion. So they collide with themselves also, and they hit the wall of the container also. Then third is a wooden table should be called a solid. The answer is a solid possesses certain properties like rigidity, definite shape, fixed volume, distinct boundary, and incompressibility. So wooden table should be called as a solid. You can write other properties, general properties of solid in this answer. Then D part is we can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same through a block of wood, we need a karate expert. Solids have very strong intermolecular attraction among their particles, while intermolecular attraction is very poor in gases. So, due to this reason, we are able to easily move our hand in air, but cannot do the same through a solid block of wood. Then question number 8 is liquids generally have lower density as compared to solids, but you must have observed that ice floats on water. This is because when ice is formed, it has some air spaces in its structure. So what happens? The air makes the ice lighter as compared to water. So here the answer is also written, when water is converted into ice, its volume expands about 10% in comparison to the volume of water. So ice occupies more space. As a result, its density decreases and it floats on water. Actually what happens, that 10% increase is the air. So air is filled in the spaces, and as a result ice becomes lighter in comparison to water, so it will float. Next question is convert the following temperature into Celsius scale. 300 Kelvin will be 27 degrees Celsius and 573 Kelvin will be 300 degrees Celsius. This is by the formula 300 minus 273 and 573 minus 273. Then next one is what is the physical state of water at 250 degrees Celsius. As the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, so at 250 degrees Celsius it will be in gaseous state. Then 100 degrees Celsius is the second part. So at 100 degrees Celsius the physical state of water will be liquid as well as gas, because at 100 degrees Celsius it starts changing into vapors. So it will be in vapor form and also in boiling water form. Then question number 11, for any substance why does the temperature remains constant during the change of state? It is due to latent heat, and that latent heat is hidden heat which goes in overcoming the force of attraction of the particles and arrangement of the particles. Then 12th question, suggest a method to liquefy atmospheric gases. Atmospheric gases can be liquefied by applying pressure and reducing the temperature. Question number 13, why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day? On hot dry day, humidity decreases and the rate of evaporation increases. Thus, it causes more cooling. So, as the temperature is more, humidity is less. So, when the evaporation will take place, it will cause cooling effect, and the air which is given by the cooler will be much more cold in comparison to rainy season or humid day. So let's come to question number 14. How does the water kept in an earthen pot become cool during summer? An earthen pot has a porous surface and the water seeps out from that pores. Then what happens, that the water which is on the surface gets evaporated, hence the temperature becomes less of that surface as well as the water kept in it. So water becomes cool. Then question number 15 is why does our palm feel cold when we put some acetone or petrol or perfume on it? See, acetone is present in nail paint remover also, petrol and perfume. All these are volatile compounds. Volatile compounds are those compounds which are liquid at room temperature but they can evaporate at room temperature only. So these type of liquids, when we place them on our palm, they will take the heat from your hand or palm and they will get evaporate. So as a result our palm will feel cool. Question number 16. Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup? A saucer or plate has more surface area for evaporation rather than a cup. So more cooling effect will be in a saucer because of more evaporation. So this is the reason. Then question number 17. What type of clothes should we wear in summer? We should wear pure cotton clothes and preferably of white color, because cotton clothes absorb perspiration, or you can say your sweat, which causes the cooling effect. Secondly, white color clothes are poor absorbers of heat, whereas dark color or black color clothes are good absorbers of heat.